The new year is fast approaching and so are the latest smartphone launches, and one of the first phone launches of the year, one of the first flagship phone launches of the year is from iQOO. I'm talking about the iQOO 11, and for those who don't know, the iQOO 11 series has already launched in China. But before its India launch, we do have a specific idea about what to expect from the iQOO 11 5G, and that's what we are here to talk about in this video. Hello everyone, I'm Aman and you're watching Fiiber, and before we get on with the rest of the video, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. The iQOO 11 is all set to launch in India on January 10th, and the date has been officially confirmed by iQOO. In fact, the official landing page of the iQOO 11 has gone live on Amazon, and the date is set for January 10th. And from the landing page, we can make an idea as to what to expect from the upcoming iQOO 11 5G. So going by the top image on the Amazon landing page, it is confirmed that the iQOO 11 Legend, aka the BMW stripe colorway, is definitely coming with a beautiful leather sort of a finish at the rear. Now the phone does come in a green and black color in China, and similarly more colors are expected for the Indian market as well. Of course, the similarities between the Chinese variant of the iQOO 11 and the Indian variant of the iQOO 11 does not end. So expect the specifications on both the variants to be same. But speaking of confirmed specifications for the Indian variant, well, the biggest tidbit is that the iQOO 11 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and that is not all, as the phone will apparently be the first phone to launch in India with Qualcomm's top-of-the-line chipset. Additionally, for sustained performance under heavy loads and better thermal management, there's also going to be a vapor chamber liquid cooling system inside the smartphone. Now, iQOO is even boasting the 1.3 million plus AnTuTu score, and if this kind of number is anything to go by, this one is surely turning out to be a beast. And by the way, being powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset is not the only India first that the iQOO 11 will achieve. So this phone is also confirmed to launch with an E6 AMOLED flat display with Quad HD Plus resolution, and if the Chinese variant is to be considered, the Indian variant could very well feature a 144Hz refresh rate. For comparison, with an E5 AMOLED display, an E6 AMOLED display can touch peak brightness of 1800 nits, all while being power efficient. Other than this, the Amazon listing also confirms that the iQOO 11 will feature 120 watt fast charging, and again, going by the Chinese variant, the Indian variant might as well feature a 5000 mAh battery. Now in terms of the software, the Chinese variant of the iQOO 11 comes with Origin OS atop Android 13, but expect the Indian variant of the iQOO 11 to feature FunTouch OS, the latest version of FunTouch OS, on top of Android 13. Now on to the optics, the iQOO 11 will feature a triple rear camera setup comprising a 50 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, and this is going to be the GN5 sensor. Now the Chinese variant of the phone also gives us an idea as to what other sensors we can expect on the Indian variant. So the Chinese variant features an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 13 megapixel telephoto camera at the rear, and the same can be expected to be on the Indian variant as well. As for the selfie snapper, well, that could be a 16 megapixel camera situated in a center aligned hole punch. Additionally, the iQOO 11 will also feature Vivo's V2 graphic chip for better image and video quality. And finally, we expect to see the iQOO 11 to come in multiple RAM variants, that is up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB storage. Now in terms of pricing, the iQOO 11, the company has confirmed that the iQOO 11, the starting price of the phone, will be somewhere in the realm of 55,000 to 60,000 rupees, and the company is dead serious on undercutting the OnePlus in terms of pricing. Now as for the iQOO 11 Pro, well, that phone, at least for now, is not coming to India. I mean, it could launch in the country sometime later, but going by what iQOO's CEO said, as for January 10th, he said that the iQOO 11 Pro is not launching. And that was everything that you need to know about the iQOO 11 5G ahead of its January 10th launch. Let me know your thoughts about this phone in the comments below, and what do you think will be its actual pricing, actual starting price whenever this phone launches in India. That is, of course, January 10th is the launch price, so what could it be its actual launch price? Let me know that also in the comments below, and as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the very next one. Thank you for watching.